Well, thank you, host. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So today we are here for the orientation for the training and placement program conducted by Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So before we start, I request everyone to be on mute. And if you have any queries, you either raise your hand or drop your query in the chat box. We shall answer you. But I request everyone to be on mute again so that nobody gets distracted. Now, I would like to introduce Mr. Manish. He is the CEO of Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. Actually, he is the backbone of Heist Placements. So today he is here for you to give a glance of how the program goes and the benefits that can be availed to this program. I request Mr. Manish to please take up the session now.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. So I want to introduce this is a program from Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So it's a totally 3 months program. It's a training, internship, working on live project, certification, and job assistance. As we have here morning and evening batches. Plus here we have any demo projects where we can work on hands-on with experience there. So here, guys, if you have any problem, you can just go ahead with your doubts. So here we can sort it out. And tomorrow we'll be giving a roll numbers for everyone according to your
Manish,
batches. And
sorry to
day after
interrupt.
tomorrow.
Manish, your voice
Yeah.
is like breaking in between. Can you just check your network, please?
Can you, Yogeshwari, can you start it out? You have any pitch?
Okay.
Yeah. 1
So
second.
guys,
Let
if
me...
you have any doubts, you can just drop your queries now so that we'll answer you for the first few minutes, and then we'll give you a bit description or whatever is going on in the program. For five to 10 minutes, we'll try to discuss on the queries, whatever the group is having. Is there anyone? So I got a request from Mohammed. When will it start? What does that mean? I mean, are you asking about the classes?
Can you please unmute yourself and ask the question? And the thing is, like, we are starting the batches from 4th. Tomorrow we'll be allocating the roll numbers. Okay. On 2nd, we'll be having a project manager round. Here, project manager will be giving you all the details how the 3 months project is going on regarding training, and after that, what is the live project we'll be working on. And on 3rd, we'll be having a HR filtrations part. On 4th, we'll start our classes. Live training classes will be start from 4th. And any more doubts?
Yes, Manish, we have one doubt. Can we join both morning and evening, ma'am, or either of the classes? If we miss morning, can we join in the evening?
Yes, you can join the morning or evening classes, but particularly remember one thing, the morning and evening trainers may be different in AWS. So the classes and the notes will be different. Okay, if you're decided to join the morning class, just go ahead with the morning section itself. And coming to the recording sections, here we are not going to provide any recording sections until unnecessary if it is any health emergency issue, or if it is any education cause like exam or anything.
Yeah, any purpose, you can drop us a message and get the approval before itself.
Done. So
In
team, here the question is like, what is part-time work and what is work? Okay.
so we have a question here. Can we
Yeah.
change the timings in between the training?
So is it
Sir, we are
audible?
losing you. Your voice is completely lost.
One second. Can we change
No,
the
sir.
training timing?
So guys, if you want to change the back training, it is possible, but prior intimation is needed.
Yes, see, in between, that's what we are saying here. See, once if the classes is started, the classes, the morning batch, even though Yogeshwari is my voice,
No,
Yogeshwari is
sir.
my
Your
voice
voice
is audible.
No, sir. It is breaking.
One second.
Yes, Mahesh. This program is for all branches. BTech branch is not specified.
Audible now?
No, sir. It is not. It is losing. If it is possible, you can just exit and then re-enter, sir.
Yes, I've done it.
Okay, now it is fine. Yeah, now we can catch you. So we have a question here. Can you please give clarity about part-time jobs? Okay. Meanwhile, I would like to answer Vignesh. You said the class is for 2 hours, which divides the time, and it's like 1.5 hours and half an hour. Yes, but now as the communication skills, interpersonal skills are our club, we request you to join the session, technical session. If you're joining it in the morning, try to join the communication skill session in the evening, or vice versa. So just plan yourself and try to attend as many communication skills classes you can.
Done. See, now I'll explain you what is the part-time work and how to do it. What is the income you are going to get here? So here, see, we will teach you how to do the postings part. See, basically we are from a placements company. Okay, here we have an IT companies who are looking for a seniors with 3 to 10 years experience. Okay, so here for the students who are interested to work as a part-time, okay, it's just daily 1 hour to do the postings. We will give you some IT requirements. It may be Java or PHP or Android or any Salesforce with a job description. You will post that requirement in social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, OLX Quicker, and you will get the resumes and you will filter that. If it is a genuine resume, you will give to our project manager, Mr. Preetham. He will ensure that your resume is going to HR and he will be placed. If any candidate got placed, you will be getting of 5,000 rupees on the within 30 working days once the candidate joined in any of the company. So for here, once the classes is started after 1 week, we will show you, we'll give you videos and we will show you how to do the postings, what is the job description and what is the interview panel, how to take the basic interview questions and everything. We'll teach you that. So it's very simple, guys. Daily 1 hour you are working, you are doing the postings part. You will just create a small message which we have given. You'll add your mail ID and you'll post in the social media. You'll get a resumes. You'll filter that resumes according to the filtration part, and you'll give it to the our project manager, Mr. Preetham. And once the job seeker got joined in a company, if he completes his 30 days of tenure, you will get 5,000 rupees per each candidate. This is what the part-time work. Yes. And now we want to tell you one more thing, guys, regarding the communication skills and MS Office, MS Excel, and the program. See, here it's totally, we are charging 300 rupees. It's totally 3 months program, training, internship, certification, working on live project, and job assistance with 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs package. Here we are associated with 150 top companies all over pan India, not only in Hyderabad or Telangana or Andhra. Okay, so here the companies who are looking for the students, not only this, see the criteria. If the companies, MNC companies, are looking for freshers, they majorly look for the passed outs with 2020, 2021 and 2022 person candidates with good technical skills, as well as MS Office, MS Excel, and interview skills and communication skills. Plus the candidate should be enough good with his resume. Okay, so here this is the major program for IT skills. So in this program, for all the training students, for all the IT training students, it may be any domain, it may be Java, PHP, Android. For everyone, we have they can join for communication skills as well as MS Office skills. It's in a complementary thing. Everyone can join that. For all the students whoever registered for IT domain, they will get tomorrow a Google Meet links regarding their IT domains. If they got registered for a morning section, they'll get regarding the morning section Google Meet links. And if they got registered for evening section, they'll get a evening links. Plus, they'll be getting in a MS Office plus communication skills links also. Yes. See,
Yes, guys.
classes for digital marketing classes, we will just take the tomorrow, as we said, we are going to allocate the roll numbers for all the registered candidates, and day after tomorrow we have a counseling part. Okay, in that counseling part, depends upon the registered students, we'll be having a voting round. Depends upon the comfortability of a time changes. Evening also we are ready to change the timings. Digital marketing will not keep 9 to 10. See, all the classes are online. Is it only for 2019, 20, 2021? No. From 2015 to 2020, 22%, anyone can register in this program. Yes, placement assistance for all the registered candidates through this training program. For all the classes, it is an online. It is not an offline classes. See, all over India, any Indian can register on this program. From 2015 passed out to 2022 person candidates, as we are associated with as of now more than 100 plus colleges, and we have an agreement with these colleges regarding this agreement program. So for next 4 days, we will have more registration all over pan India.
Do we need to have laptops? Guys, for Java or any other coding part, it's better you have laptops so that you will have practical knowledge too.
Yes, exactly. And one more thing, see, except communication skills and MS Office and even digital marketing you want, except this communication skills and MS Office, every IT candidate required a laptop. If you have a laptop, you can take care of classes of 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, and next 2 hours you can do the practical work. As well as here, whenever you're getting a code information from the trainer or a training classes, whenever you're in front of a laptop, you can be able to understand it very easily because the screen is very big. And if someone are unavailable with a laptop, here we have any future, we can have an app which within a keyboard we can use our mobile as a just desktop with all the coding part. Okay, we can use even that. That is not any issue. If someone are without laptop also, they can join this training classes. That is not a problem. But if who are with a laptop, that is a very important, so they can do the practical part.
So there's a question from Jagdish. A minimum salary package you provide is 3 LPA. So
See, yes,
I guess
of course. Once here, see, our as of now, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, or IVY Comtech. See, Tech Mahindra is paying 3 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs for the freshers for 2021 passed outs. It's minimum. All the companies are starting from 3 lakhs. Like IVY Comtech is also one of our vendor where it is paying for freshers 6.5 lakhs. Okay, but here our major criteria starts from minimum 3 lakhs and above for packages. But end of the 3 months, if you are unable to get placed because of any of your personal thing or any age distance or any gap or anything, even though we have some other jobs also, okay, with less packages, even though we have domestic companies, we'll show there also. But majorly the placement starts from with 3 lakhs to above. Team, I'll tell you one fact. As you got registered for all this training program, here one student is asking, sir, those students who have less than 60%, they will get assistance or not? See, here we have associated with 150 companies, more than 30 companies are MNC companies. There are only one criteria when they are asking a manpower from us. Previously, we would source from a different portals or from different networks. Now we are taking the candidates and we are training them, we are placing them. Even though we are also keeping one criteria and we are getting a simple criteria from companies, that is the candidate should be above 70% and 60% is a clause. MNC companies will hire majorly 70% candidates. Okay, for eight and some of the chances, yes, they also hire 60% candidates if their 10th and inter is good, and BTech if it is there any 60 62 like that. And if they are done with the training part, if they have any good technical knowledge, if they are good at communication skills, yes, obviously company will be hiring you with good packages with 60%.
Very
And
good question from Wayne. Is asking why you're charging only 300 as it is very less amount with providing lot of opportunities.
Yeah, see, it's very simple. Here with the same expenditure, if we are giving for 10 members, it will be the same thing. If we are giving for 1000 members, it will be the same expenditure. Okay, so we have decided to go with 1000 members. That is what the thing we are going with this program, and we want to spread the knowledge as much as we can.
Guys, regarding technical queries or technical doubts, yeah, there are like some questions regarding technical doubts. We request you to please attend the session and then ask the trainer so that they can answer you better than us.
Yes, and one more thing, team. See, for the first 1 week, whole week will be first till 4th. It will be a counseling part, roll numbers deciding and everything. Okay, from 4th we are going to start the classes. even though first whole week will be the demo sections. If it is in a data science, first of all, trainer will say you in data science courses what we are going to teach. Data science plus Python plus artificial intelligence plus machine learning. And what is this base of? It's base of mathematics. And what is it is going to be used of? And what is the companies are looking for this data science? And what is the benefits of data science for the industry? This is all will be given by the trainers on the first 3 to 4 days. Next, they will start the training sections from the second week. Don't worry, guys. And once the training section is started, after 10 days, we'll give the part-time work. We'll give a 1 hour or 2 hours demo sections for continuous 2 days. That's enough. You can easily work on that and you can easily earn this. And 5,000. See, monthly, if you give a job for one candidate, you are getting a 5,000 rupees from HICE placements. Okay, there also you have a good satisfaction that you are providing a job to some other person who is looking for job.
Syed, we don't provide any material. You can get the material from Google if you just search for it. Maybe your notes will be enough for you. Yes, Manish?
See, we will give a notes daily. They can note it down. Okay.
Personal notes is very important.
See, guys, till now we have done a 4 batches. Apart from this 4, here is a question. Sir, I have a good percentage in 10th and 12th in graduation. I have a less than 60%. See, here we'll tell you one thing. Once again, very important thing. See, what the companies are looking for, even though if it is in a 60% or less than 60% in some circumstances. See, if you got it trained, if you have a good comp skills, and if you're done with a project work, yes, they will hire you. And here you have a project manager, Mr. Preetham. He is an all-rounder with an all 10 domains. Whatever the 10 domains we are going to teach in this program for next 3 months, he is in a good all-rounder in this 10 domains. He will be working with a trainers for every week. The assignment for your people, the trainers will be conducting a assignment every week Saturday. It's actually Monday to Friday classes and Saturday is the assignment, right? So here we have your project manager Preetham. He will be conducting you a every month a test regarding the month training part, and he is going to give you a live project. Here all the students, it may be any domain, it may be Java, it may be PHP plus Android, it may be digital marketing, it may be AngularJS and Node.js. All these domains can do the apps and websites. So everyone, before going out of this academy, between this 3 months, they'll go with minimum one a live project on personal hosting space. Okay, so if you are able to go with one project, yes, companies are ready to hire you. That's what they want. They are starting from the initial level. Okay, that's the reason they take candidates from the training institutes. That's the reason we have started this training program.
Syed, as already mentioned, technical queries, please go with the trainer.
Yeah, one
Because
second,
we are not...
Yogeshwari. One second, that is not a technical question. See, are you giving the training of AI and ML? See, here, if you are going to select the course of data science is involved with base of Python. We are giving a first of all Python, next data science, next machine learning and artificial intelligence. In this 3 months, you are going to learn on these 4 things on the data science. Yes, if you're student in this event, yes, you can get a placements because you're getting a good training as well as a good placement assessments with top companies. All the trainers over here with 10 plus experience, 10 plus years of experience. See, I'm from non-IT background. Which course will suit me with less coding? See, I'll suggest you go with the digital marketing. Even in the digital marketing courses, we have a digital marketing plus WordPress, where as of now in industry, many of the companies are looking for the WordPress website because it is easy to build and it is easy to develop in the social media platform. Okay, so here if you are from a non-IT background, you can select digital marketing, so you will get to know how to build a website and how to develop that in a social media, so that's a good income part. So if you select for digital marketing, you can be and your own entrepreneur also. You can just get your orders and you can do your own business by sitting in a home. That's the best platform for non-IT background people. See, no one will stop the classes in the mid. Selected for Angular.js, it to data science. Yes, if you got selected Angular.js and if you want to move it for data science, yes, today we have given the final Google form in the group for in the training group. You can just register in that group with a data science. Yes, you will get the data science link by tomorrow morning. So tomorrow after 12 o'clock, you will get the Google Meet links, and tomorrow 3 o'clock we are going to divide the roll numbers after the registration part, guys. Guys,
Sir, can I
as we
take some
mentioned,
part-time?
we have here training, internship, working on live project, certification, and job assistance also. So we are also providing a certification. Yes. See, certification is the part where you are getting trained. See, we are in a coming to the Salesforce or data science. We are not the certified partners, but we are a certified partners to give a training, not a certification on the particular domain. Okay, so we are the institute. We are taking the students from top engineering colleges and all the colleges from India and outside students also. We are giving them training as a registered private limited company, and we are giving a certification that they got trained in our training institute, but with not a certification part. That is totally different, that you will get to know after next 15 to 30 days of classes. Okay.
Sir, any part-time work is available?
Yes, part-time work is available. Once the classes is started after 1 week, we'll explain you what is what. Actually, previous also we explain you. We have any recorders which we have done for previous batches, and we'll explain you lively. We'll answer you all the questions, so it will be very clear to work it out.
Yeah, okay, thank you,
See,
sir.
all the courses. Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Which is the best courses from all among 10 courses? See, here we have started the 10 courses. So myself, I'll tell all the courses are very good. You select yourself according to your background and your future, and then you can just select the best one course and go with the one course. Guys, my suggestion: if you're really interested for this program, only select only one course, because getting trained for 1 hour to for 1 hour 30 minutes and again doing a practicals for 2 to 3 hours, that will make you perfect. If you're taking 2 to 3 course or getting trained, it's waste of use. You'll not get a knowledge or complete information. That is what my suggestion. Yes, you can shift the AWS. We'll give the material once the class is started. Course content in clear with the trainer. See, is today last day to register. See, registrations will be live till October 5th. Okay, whoever not registered yet, you can share this part to your friends also. Guys, till October 5th, means October 4th we are starting. We are giving a 1 day dead mark. So till October 4th, we have any registration part. Whoever not yet registered, they can register till that time. Okay, guys, I hope we have cleared all the doubts. Now we are going to end up the section. I'm thankful for everyone having a good thing, gain a good knowledge from HISE placements and HISE Academy, and even get a good job.